Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing the Lenovo Tab M10 Plus 3rd generation, the LTE version. It's 4G supported. Also we are unboxing the stylus that it's compatible with this tablet. This one it's called Lenovo Precision Pen 2. I bought it separately. Let's let it here. A case for this tablet and some extra memory, 256 gigabytes that I bought separately also. I bought this tablet from the official store of Lenovo. The price is $259. The Lenovo Precision Pen 2, I bought it for 50 euros from Amazon. The memory and the case, 40 euros together. Let's unbox the tablet first and we will move to the other parts after. So let's take a knife, a small knife. Lenovo Tab M10 Plus comes with Google Kids space, comes with entertainment space, and in the back side 10.62K display, octa-core processor, quad speakers, long battery life, support of Lenovo Precision Pen 2, 4 GB of RAM, 128 storage. CPU it's Snapdragon 680, Android 12, 7700 mAh battery. I'm really excited guys because I never had a tablet before. This is my first tablet. There you are. Ooh, my god, nice one. There's nothing else here, it's empty. And as you can see, here is the tablet as it comes. Let's take it out. It feels good on the hand, I guess. Not very heavy, not very light. Let me let it on the side for a bit. Oh, a pin card tool, some paperwork. Oh, a charger. Very nice. Thanks. I didn't have one. Oh my god, that's so good in this price to put you a charger also inside. I will definitely use this. Definitely. I like this detail number 10 here in the charger by Lenovo. It's a 10 watt charger, guys. It says here with small letters. I don't think you can see it, but anyways, it's really good to include the charger in this price. Thanks a lot, Lenovo. Here in the middle, nothing else. And remember always that I keep my receipts in the boxes, so I'm not gonna throw this box. Here's the tablet. Let's go take it off. Ooh, nice, guys. Oh my god, look, it really feels very good. This is like matte feel, something like that. A sticker here and the screen. Here's the camera. Power buttons, really good. The speakers here too, other two here, headphone jack also, really important. Type-C charger. Nice. Okay, let's let it here in front. So let's unbox the pen also. There's nothing else here. Let's let it in the side. Here is the stylus inside the case. Let's take it out. This you can peel it off and stick it, let's say, on a case, whatever you want. So let's unbox also this. Good. Really nice feel. Let's start it up. Ooh, reverse. Like that. Hi there. Hi. Finish device setup. Ooh, oh my god. Guys, the screen looks... And I don't know if it's in full brightness. Oh shit, it wasn't. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my god, in real life it looks amazing. I swear to god, it looks amazing, guys. It's worth the money. It has Netflix pre-installed. Nice. I will definitely use this tablet for Netflix. Definitely. Oh, what the... Oh my god, guys. Guys, I never had the experience of writing on a tablet. It feels so realistic. Oh my god. I can put my hand here, stand, and start writing. Oh, guys. Okay. I will definitely make a new video on it when I will get used to it and let you guys update it. Like the video. Oh my god. Subscribe also. I'll make a new video how this tablet performs. It's amazing. I don't know what to say. And I didn't even use it for 5 minutes, guys. Nice. See you on the next one, guys. Bye bye.